Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching ports. Check the source has a VGA 15-pin output and the monitor or TV accepts HDMI. Once confirmed, use an active VGA to HDMI adapter. Passive cables won't convert analog to digital. Make sure the adapter is powered. Most require 5V via USB or a small DC jack. Plug audio into the adapter's input if you need sound, because VGA carries video only. Now connect the VGA cable to the PC and the adapter. Then keep the HDMI cable ready to attach to the display. Once the physical connections are secure, attach the HDMI cable from the adapter to the display, then power the adapter using its USB or DC lead. An LED usually shows it's live. Power on the monitor or TV and select HDMI as the active input. Next, boot the computer and open display settings. Set resolution and refresh rate to a standard HDMI-friendly mode. For example, 1366 x 768 or 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz. Make sure the adapter supports the chosen resolution. Lower it if the image looks unstable or stretched. To finish, verify the picture is sharp and colors are correct. If not, tweak display color and scaling settings. If you see no image, first reset VGA and HDMI cables and confirm the adapter's power LED is lit. Then restart the display and PC. If the image is unstable, lower the resolution or select a standard aspect ratio, because adapters have limits. For sound, route audio through the adapter's audio jack or run a separate 3.5 mm cable to the TV. Keep an alternate HDMI-capable device handy for testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.